Hello friends, welcome to our channel HSC with codes.
Subscribe for the latest videos.
Grinder safety. Always handle and store wheels in a careful manner. Visually inspect all the wheels before mounting for possible damage. Make sure operating speed of machine does not exceed speed marked on wheel. Check mounting flanges for equal size, relieved as required and correct diameter. Size of the mounting hole. If a wheel won't fit the machine, get one that will. Don't ever exceed maximum operating speed established for the wheel. Don't use mounting flanges on which the bearing surfaces are not clean, flat and smooth. Don't tighten the mounting nut excessively. Don't start the machine until the safety guard is properly and securely in place. Don't jam work into the wheel. Don't stand directly in front of a grinding wheel whenever a grinder is started.